Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip or bypass Cash App identity verification. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap your profile icon in the upper right corner to access your main account settings. From the menu that appears, scroll down carefully and select the option for Security and Privacy. In this specific section, you will find the menu item labeled Verify Your Identity. If you tap it to begin, Cash App will immediately prompt you to enter several pieces of basic personal information. This required information includes your full legal name, your complete date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your current residential address. Now, it's crucial to understand that if your goal is to bypass this step, there is absolutely no official method or hidden setting within the app that allows you to legitimately skip this verification process. However, here is the practical approach and what you can do instead. The most effective strategy is to simply stick with using only the basic features that do not require any identity verification at all. This primarily includes sending and receiving standard everyday Cash App payments as long as they remain under a specific dollar amount limit. You should consciously avoid trying to access or use any advanced features like Bitcoin transactions, stock purchases within the Investing tab, or attempting to increase your account's transfer limits. All of these enhanced functions strictly require that you first complete the full identity verification. If your primary need is just using the app for receiving smaller personal payments or sending money to friends and family for casual purposes, then you genuinely do not need to verify your identity at all. The key is to just keep all of your financial transactions consistently within the basic thresholds that are preset by Cash App for unverified accounts.